Hello Pajeros, this is what I bought in Toby'S, 2 sports light and 1 LED bar. It is 30 inch and 300 watts, and the 2 sports light each 40 watts, and including the wire harness it has a 2 relay. Okay, here is the one, my spotlight for the back side. It is 40 watts, come along with the mount over here and slides, the ball nuts and 1 Allen key. It's nice. And this is my LED bar. Here is all the mounts including the ball nuts. Yeah, this is 30 inches and 300 watts. Toby'S, it's quite cute. That's a slim one. I'm going to using this brand almost 3-4 years for my interior lights. Alright, let me show you the wire harness. I got 2 relays because of I have 3 lights and 1 fuse which will be connected to the battery, and including switch, it has a 2 switch. Hello Pajeros, today I'm here in Machinehead. I just came here to fix my LED bar. I have to make a bracket for this for my low roof rack, and I'm gonna install another 2 spots light for behind. So it is one of the best place in the Machinehead in Al Cruz for if you're planning to do any fabrications for bumper, any LED bar brackets and everything, anything they can do it for your dream car to make it. So let me show you how they're gonna fix it. Let's go inside, we'll see it. This is the final finishing now. Yeah, 2 sports lights. I'm gonna here one, and other one is here. Work is almost done. The wiring we take from the down from the roof rack. You can see this is the top. You can see. Still we have to hide some wires. So it's all the way bring from here. You can see here the wire lines to the front. Bring from here. Then we connect to here. We put the plug over here. In case we have to remove, it's easy to remove. And the wiring was done for the main line. We bring one here and all this two relay over here. We fix it, and the one piece over here. Let's go inside how it is. The main switch is here. One for the front, one for the back. Okay. Kuya, switch on the front one. Yes. Okay. Let's go for the back side. Switch on. Wow, that's great. Perfect. Mount over here. It's really well finishing. You can see how clean it is. Work is done. Yeah, he's the one make my mount perfectly. He done. Thank you, Pare. Thank you, Kuya, for all the good job. Thank you, Kuya.